Alright, so not where I wanted to spend my day. Ugh. Alright, so I'm at first care now and I'm super annoyed because I was walking in the house and I don't know where the Christmas gifts were, and apparently like the Scotch tape dispenser must have like, I know my hair looks awful now, it's been a really bad morning, but I stepped on a broken piece of Scotch tape dispenser and it went through my sock and everything, and it like so much it bled really bad. So I don't know, I'm just here because I want to make sure my foot's okay. So yeah, that's why I'm here. All right, so I have to get a tetanus shot. Ugh. All right, so the doctor came in and I have to do like 2 different antibiotics. So it's gonna be not fun at all. So Merry Christmas. I know I always sound so negative, but I don't know, it's just been it's been a rough week with all that's going on. So the battery dying and now this, like, oh my gosh. All right, so finally done at first care. It was only an hour and a half, I think, so not too bad. But like I said, I got the tetanus, and then they called in some antibiotics to CVS, so I gotta do that. But annoying, but it's all right. I don't know, being on a medicine that is so like immune system compromised, if you get anything like this, like a potential infection, you have to treat it very soon, because like I said, that medicine makes it so that my immune system doesn't totally function properly. So yeah, so happy Saturday, right? Yeah. Okay, so I had to make a pit stop to CVS to get my medicines, and then I'm heartbroken. I have to pay for these first aid products. I have to pay full price, but I'm just gonna use my $10 care pass. It kind of breaks my heart a little bit to use that, but I guess it's better than using real money, right? So pretty good. All right, y'all, let me get the camera adjusted. So it's now like 10:30, or not 10:30, maybe it's 10. I get it, this vlog has been a flop, but this was like one weird day. So I showed you guys everything I got at CVS and everywhere. Like, things have just gone so wrong today, and like, I know when you look on the flip side of things, it could have been so much worse, but like, let's just get on the line. So I woke up, everything was fine, I guess, and then I go downstairs, like I said, and I was with the Christmas section, like the Christmas gifts, I had them stored downstairs, and I stepped on, I believe it was the edge of a Scotch tape dispenser that had broken off, and I'm not going to show you guys the picture, but I do have a picture of what it looked like after they pulled it out of my foot. And anyways, I stepped into that, and it like hurt so incredibly bad. Like, it was in my heel. Like, it hurt. It went through my sock. Like, the piece of the plastic went through my sock, up through my heel, and it like was excruciating. It hurt. Like, it really hurt. So anyways, I called, my grandma helped me get it out because it was like bleeding all over the place. It was really gross. I appreciate her helping me get it out. And so we got that out, and it would not stop bleeding for anything. Finally did. Like, we had to put some like major pressure on it. So that finally happened, and then I'm going to spare you the details of something else that happened, but one of our cats had a little accident. So yeah, that was annoying. That was an issue. And then after that, what else happened? Oh, I was baking, I said potato candy and cookies and peanut butter fudge for the Christmas thing tonight, and literally it turned out, my cousin texted like, don't bring any desserts, because they literally had potato candy, fudge, and cookies, and cake, and pie. I'm like, oh my gosh, so much dessert. I was like, what the world? So I was like, no, I didn't. So I like got the stuff for that, but it's all good. We'll just do that on Christmas Eve, but whatever, it's fine. I'll just have them for Christmas Eve. Too many desserts. And then it got worse. I went to CVS, and I told you guys I was getting my stuff. I was going to just use my care pass, and it was going to be great. Well, I forgot I had a digital coupon for a free CVS item. So I took $5 off for that CVS item coupon, and then marked my care pass down to $5.38 is what happened. I kid you not. That's literally what happened. So I lost, on a $10 care pass, I lost almost $5 from that care pass marking itself down, and I paid $5 for that. It makes me so mad. So now I have $5 at CVS to start with this week, and I don't even know, the deals just look slow. I don't even know if I'll go tomorrow or not. I'd have to get some really awesome CRTs, but anyways, whatever. And then tonight, I went to the Christmas gathering, and I thought it was very good. So that was a good outing. Like I said, we've been at Christmas things the last 2 days, so it was a good time. We had lots of good food. That's why I say the diet. The doctor told me I need to lose some weight, so I gotta figure that out. But it can't happen at Christmas, right? Like, it can't happen at Christmas. It's just not possible. I have to wait till after Christmas. By New Year's at the latest, I'm gonna start on a diet, so that's in the cards. We had like appetizers. So there was some taco dip, tortilla chips, shredded chicken sandwiches. What else was there? It was like a potluck. So there was like pimento cheese from Giacomo's. That was so good. I don't usually like pimento cheese, but that was actually really good. So I had some of that on tomato basil bread. That was so good. And there was like all those desserts. I told you there's too many desserts. But somebody made my cousin like a cake for her birthday, and then the potato candy and the fudge and the cookies and all that. And it was like, oh, we're bringing them all. So that was a temptation. And then there was other stuff. There was like my aunt and uncle brought some like pigs in a blanket thing from Auntie Anne's. And what else was there? A cheese ball with like grits and stuff. So actually a really, really nice outing, and we played a game, Monopoly Cheaters Edition, myself and my cousins, and then that's about it. Just like talked and stuff. So it's a really nice night. So the Christmas outings are done. We have a special church thing tomorrow for Christmas that's going on tomorrow, and then so that's in the cards for tomorrow. And then tomorrow is gonna be a mess, y'all, because I gotta go get that cardigan. And I know yesterday I said cashmere. It's a cardigan sweater. That makes me feel so much better. So this, like I said, it's for the Adopt a Senior program. It's for an older lady. So I need to make sure I find one that she will like. So I don't know where I'm going to go. I might go to JCPenney's, but I don't know. Because I don't know. I don't know where older women like to shop. Where older women like their cardigans from, right? I'm not an expert. So I'm going to get a cardigan. And she wanted like a 6-pack of 7-Up or something. So I'll just get that probably at Kroger's or Walmart. Tomorrow I want to finish that Ibotta bonus. I do not want to be out there on Christmas Eve doing it. I do not like that idea at all. So tomorrow I want to do that. And if I get some awesome CRTs, I will do CVS. I'm super bummed that I lost my Care Pass. It makes me want to cry. So honestly, I've been getting mad referrals over on Fetch. So maybe what I'll do is get a Fetch gift card and reinvest into CVS this week, but I don't really know. I'm just going to see if I get some good CRTs tonight. That'd be the only reason I'd reinvest back into CVS. An extra bucks. But it was nice. I mean, to get the gauze and the tape for free. Because the first care, the nurse said you're going to need to rebandage up your foot with this cream multiple times. So yeah, they definitely took it serious with the cream and everything. Like I said, they gave me an oral antibiotic for 7 days, a cream to put on my foot. And yeah, and like I said, being on the immunosuppressant medicine for Crohn's, it does impact your immune system and does make it harder to fight off infections and stuff. And so whenever something like this happens, I have to take it very seriously and go to the hospital or the first care and get it treated. But they definitely thought it was worth getting the tetanus shot, and they thought it was worth, he was like, with your Crohn's, you definitely need to get this treated. So yeah, and they looked at the cut and everything. It was pretty intense. So what a day, but could be so much worse. So yeah, so anyways, Christmas Eve is coming. And that's Christmas is coming. Christmas Eve is on Tuesday. Christmas is Wednesday. It's coming so fast. So, like I said, tomorrow I'm going to tie up little loose ends with shopping. Monday, I probably will finish my baking. And then Tuesday, we have to run to the grocery store for Christmas Eve and Christmas dinner type thing. So, Christmas Eve is like, as long as I've been around, it's the same. A tradition from years and years and years has been just like a lunch meat platter and like a veggie tray and that kind of stuff. And that's just been how we do it forever. And I'm really excited because last year I was in such a horrible Crohn's flare-up, I couldn't even eat anything like that. Like, I had to make my own everything. But this year, thank God, I am in remission. That's what the doctor said. So I can eat anything I want. So I'm able to eat that kind of stuff this year. I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm going to bake the potato candy. I have the fudge already done and the cookies. So I'm going to do the desserts for Christmas Eve. Hopefully no one else has like 40 other desserts to bring. So, yeah. And it's on. Christmas is on. Like, I'm done. I'm really happy with it. So tomorrow, the main goal is CVS. Maybe, if I get some good CRTs. Ibotta. I gotta finish up on Ibotta. And even if I could make Ibotta be such a great moneymaker that could cover my CVS out of pocket, I'm down with that. I'm always down with that. Ibotta covering CVS. So maybe I'll do that instead of do the fetch thing. But we'll find out tomorrow. We'll see what I decide to do. And then also at the same time, because in a way, I see so many deals at CVS where I'm not able to do, because I don't have as much extra care bucks. So maybe I'll invest with the referrals, but I don't know. But anyways, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up tonight's vlog. I think tomorrow's will be awesome because I'm going to do rebates and shop, and I don't even know where it'll all take me. I'm pretty much done for Christmas. I am done for Christmas. Just the senior that I volunteered to buy for. So that's tomorrow. And some of you guys said you really enjoyed the What I Got My Family for Christmas video. Be on the lookout for that. That will be up either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. Probably Christmas, maybe Christmas Day, I don't know, because our family usually opens gifts Christmas Eve, as weird as that is, but that's when my whole life, that's when I remember doing it. So either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, you guys will see the What I Got My Family for Christmas. I'm definitely not doing that to brag, but I've actually had people say, oh, I can't wait to see what you guys got for Christmas. So be on the lookout for that too, because I know I wanted to get it out earlier to give ideas, but I have family who does watch the videos, so I have to be cautious of that. So, yeah, that's all I got for tonight, and thank you so much for watching. Alright, so to make matters worse, somehow my dad picked up my cousin's keys. I didn't even know how that's possible, but he apparently picked up those keys. So then my cousin and her husband started to leave and realized their keys weren't there. So we had to drive all the way back out to that house and give them their keys and all the way back home. It's like a 20-something minute drive each way. So, like, oh my gosh. But, yeah, so now that's all they have. Crazy, crazy day. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching.